Actually fit an ID badge into the station. Operator tags are only able to build parts, supervisors able to undo parts, and maintenance has access to maintenance function. And the next thing it's telling me to do is actually scan the workpiece carrier. What it's now done is actually identified the variant. It's telling me that I can actually go pick components, but you see it doesn't work unless I've actually got the safety gloves on. Once I've got the gloves on, it's obviously telling me that I can pick the component out the bin. If I go into the wrong bin, it starts flashing red, telling me that I'm in the wrong bin. If I go to the right bin, it obviously tells me I've picked the right part. So then it's telling me very clearly on the screen to fit the first bolt. I'm going to fit the first bolt and then press the virtual button. We're using computer vision to determine the position of my finger over that virtual button. It's now telling me to fit the second bolt, which I'm going to do. Press the virtual button, and then it's going to tell me to pick a different kind of bolt from the second bin. Detected that, it's telling me exactly where to put it, and I can put it in the right position. I need to pick socket 1. If I pick the wrong socket, it detects that, it's not allowing the station to continue. Once I pick the right socket, it detects that, and then I can move the bolting tool into position. The bolting tool is completely disabled, so the yellow flashing light is telling me where to go. If I go to the wrong position, it's completely disabled. Only when I go into the right position, it goes solid blue, and then I'm able to tighten the bolt. And if I pull out of the position, the bolting tool is completely disabled, then I fail the bolt. Obviously, then when I go back into position, it detects that and allows me to actually continue. And then similarly, I need to tighten the second bolt. So when I go into position, the tool is enabled. If I go to the previous one, it's completely disabled, only enabled when I go to the right position. And this way we're able to control the sequence in which you tighten bolts. And this is all done by the computer vision system we called Odin Phantom. It's not telling me to put the socket back. Obviously 5S is really important, making sure we put the tools back in the right positions. So I put the tool back, it detects that, and now tells me to take the next socket. It's completely disabled, wrong position, completely disabled. When I go to the right position, it's enabled. As you can see, it's gone solid blue, and then I can tighten the bolt. Socket back, press the virtual complete button, and then it's printed out a pass label. So the blue light is telling me where to put the pass label, and what I do is, when I put it in the right position, the cameras detect that and allows it to go to the next sequence. Last step is actually scanning the barcode, and once I've done that, it logs the process, and then I'm passed.